Welcome for another day of building public Nextdoor automation. I'm Eric. We're celebrating today day 30, 1 month a day, every day a video for a month. So we'll try to continue that publication effort, and we are going to review something today, a topic I've tackled in the past with regard to bicycle business. So I'll be focusing on the area in Vancouver. I made a quick search of what was available on Google Maps with the keyword search cycle shop in Burnaby, but I've done the same with Vancouver, because Burnaby is only one district, if I understand correctly, of Vancouver. And basically I got quite reasonably a lot of results. And then I checked here for the same type of search in the businesses on Nextdoor, so on the pro page of the businesses registered within Vancouver area. So I selected just several businesses, and some of them are definitely very poorly completed. So this is probably not an active business. There's no website, no email. I would not try to call it and disturb somebody who is probably not the owner of that business anymore. So I came across this other pro page, which is actually quite good. There are the exact addresses there, the opening time, the email address, the website, that's all good. Some recommendation, also very good. Only one picture, so a banner which shows the interior of the business, unfortunately quite small, but looks like a lot of bicycles available. A picture from the front store, nice. And I've checked the Google My Business information, that's the same. And so my comments is I would definitely put a better quality picture here. I would put here somebody's face. It's always better to see the owner of the shop or the manager. I would put many more pictures here to introduce the shop and the team, if the shop is large enough to have several members. And yeah, I would post regularly, and apparently they have never posted even once over the years on this side of Nextdoor, the pro page. It's not the most important, but it's always good to have homemade post on the pro page to show that there's activity, to encourage people to get in touch. Most of the posts should be done anyway on the personal page of the business owner or the sales representative, so that he would be able to redirect to that page or get people to call him right away. And that's it for this one. The other one is a probably self-employed gentleman. He has understood that he has to put a selfie of himself, always better. Then he doesn't seem to have a shop, but it's more like a workshop somewhere in the backyard. It does not matter, people still can hire him and do his good job. He's probably looking pretty young. He has a bio, very nice, website, email, telephone number, all good. So him also should be adding more posts about his previous jobs. Once a month is more than enough. On the business page he has posted several pages, pictures here, so showing him his good job. So that's very nice. He could add some videos also, like a small pitch to present himself, to say he's enthusiastic about his job, but yeah, some small tweaks that could be done on this side. So now I'm going to discuss the core of my video, which is if I were this type of business, the Trek business owners, I would definitely have the opportunity to scale the lead generation made through Nextdoor. So Trek has a lot of shops all over US, Canada, and I have here, for example, one shop by Trek in Vancouver, Burnaby area. So there are also other shops that are also famous brands everywhere in the area. I've scrapped emails, also I can contact them. Let's go back to my first video, core information. I would definitely organize in each shop of my franchise people to get and log onto Nextdoor and have a kind of syndication message to be broadcasted every week. That would come from the, let's say, regional manager or the head office, and say, today we're going to have a cassette day, and we're going to invite whoever has having cassette problems all over the territory, put a nice picture and broadcast it through all the Nextdoor Trek business owners accounts. The big advantage with that strategy is that you are not being seen as a multinational. Trek is definitely a multinational, but you can tailor your post, and they will be seen. This post will be seen only by the local people. If I look at what Trek has done in the past, they have done this type of job before with Facebook, but their websites of each of the subsidiaries, local subsidiaries, have apparently stopped that. And Trek, most of the Trek Facebook pages seems to be kind of left alone. Not much activity. So the Trek Bicycle Chelsea, the last post dates back May 2023. That's quite a while back. Yeah, they are not very active. The same with this one, even worse. Yeah, March 2023, before 2021. So I think they have recognized that their reach through Facebook is not very efficient, relevant. So they should do similar type of job, but using Nextdoor, and not through the business page of each and every Trek subsidiary, but through the personal business account. No, the personal accounts from each of the business user. And if they don't know how to do it, of course, we can arrange that for them. If you have a similar business that is operating nationwide, do not hesitate to call us if it makes sense for you to find leads on Nextdoor, very localized people that are, when you have some difficulties to get the proper reach, or you think it's too expensive to do it and buy paid advertisement on Facebook, you'll find my contact details through my website, available in the description of that video. So it's nextdoor-agency.com. I'm Eric. I'm helping business to get more leads through Nextdoor automation. If this idea sounds like an interesting one, do not hesitate to reach out and give me or my colleagues a call, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question and want to stay anonymous, you can drop them here in the comments below. Don't forget to give a like, a subscribe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for day 31st. Bye bye.